In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Hootsuite to organize posts and messages. Let's start by opening Hootsuite and heading straight to the post or message you want to organize. If you're working with an outgoing post, open it from your content area or calendar. If you're handling an incoming message or conversation, open it from your inbox. The goal is simply to get the item you care about on screen so you can label it clearly. Next, look for the Tags option. Depending on where you are in Hootsuite, you might see it as a tag or add tag button, a field labeled tags, or an option tucked behind a three-dot menu. It's designed to be quick to find once you have the post or message open. If you can't see it, make sure you're viewing the item's details because tagging is usually available in that detailed view. Go ahead and click Add Tag. This tells Hootsuite you're about to attach a label that helps you sort and measure your content later. Remember, tags are internal. Your audience won't see them. They're purely for organization, filtering, and reporting inside your account. Now choose an existing tag or create a new one. If your team already uses a standard set, like campaign names, product lines, regions, or content goals, pick from that list to keep reporting consistent. If you need something new, create a short, clear name that matches how you plan to report, such as a campaign title or theme. Keep it simple and consistent so you can find and compare it easily later. It helps to avoid overly long names and to stick with a naming style your team recognizes. Apply the tag to the post or message. You'll usually see it appear as a small label attached to the item, confirming it's in place. If you added the wrong one, you can remove it and apply the correct tag right away. Many teams apply one or two precise tags rather than a long list, which keeps filters and reports clean. Finally, put your tags to work. Use them to filter views so you can instantly group related posts or conversations, keep your queues tidy, and focus your attention on what matters most. When it's time to measure performance, tags make reporting clear and actionable. You can see how a campaign performed across networks, how a topic resonates, or how your support messages trend over time. With consistent tagging, you'll organize faster, find content quicker, and turn data into decisions with far less effort.